Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by diabetes management? Do you crave delicious food without the blood sugar spikes? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're simplifying diabetes-friendly nutrition with easy-to-follow tips and tricks that will make managing your blood sugar a breeze. We're talking delicious meals, portion control that actually works, and sneaky hidden carbs you might not even know about. Stick around to the end because we'll reveal a simple trick to make veggies taste amazing, even if you're not a veggie lover. Let's start with portion control. The plate method is your new best friend. Imagine your plate divided into 3 sections. Half your plate should be filled with non-starchy vegetables. Think leafy greens, broccoli, peppers, anything colorful. A quarter of your plate should be lean protein, chicken breast, fish, beans, lentils, anything that keeps you feeling full and satisfied. The remaining quarter is for your carbs, a small portion of whole grains, fruits, or starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes. This method ensures you get a balanced meal without overdoing the carbs. Now here's a sneaky one, hidden carbs. Many sauces, condiments, and even processed foods contain surprising amounts of sugar and carbs. Always check nutrition labels carefully. That seemingly innocent salad dressing or BBQ sauce could be sabotaging your blood sugar goals. Opt for low-sodium, low-sugar options whenever possible, or even better, make your own dressings and sauces at home. Speaking of home cooking, this is a game changer. Cooking at home allows you to control exactly what goes into your food, cutting back on extra calories, carbs, and sodium. You can experiment with herbs, spices, and healthy fats to create delicious and diabetes-friendly meals. It's easier than you think, and the health benefits are huge. Let's dispel a common myth. A diabetes-friendly diet doesn't have to be boring. Vegetables can be incredibly delicious with the right seasonings. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and cooking methods to find your favorites. Protein is incredibly versatile. Grill it, bake it, stir-fry it. And fruits, grains, and starchy vegetables can still be enjoyed in moderation as part of your balanced plate method. Don't deprive yourself, just be mindful of your portions. Now, for that promised veggie trick. The key to delicious vegetables is seasoning. Don't be afraid to experiment. A little olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper can transform even the most humble vegetable into a flavor sensation. Roasting vegetables brings out their natural sweetness too. So, to recap, master the plate method for portion control, watch out for hidden carbs in sauces and condiments. Cook at home to control ingredients. And don't be afraid to experiment with flavors to make healthy eating enjoyable. Ready to take control of your diabetes and enjoy delicious, healthy food? Then like this video, leave a comment letting us know your favorite diabetes-friendly recipe, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Subscribing is completely free and you won't want to miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.